Hey there, hustlers. Before I spill the tea on how I made $500 in just 1 week as a complete newbie to freelancing, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't want to miss our daily money-making secrets. So, picture this. I was sitting in my room, scrolling through TikTok, when I realized I needed extra cash but had zero professional experience. Sound familiar? Well, let me tell you exactly how I turned that around. First, I jumped on Fiverr. It's literally the easiest platform to start with. I created a profile, but here's the secret sauce. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades, I focused on one simple skill: writing short product descriptions. Everyone needs those, and they're super easy to do. Now, here's where most people mess up. They price too high at the start. I began charging just $5 for 5 product descriptions. Yes, it's low. But listen, I needed those first reviews more than money. I also offered a 24-hour delivery guarantee, which made my gigs stand out. The magic happened on day 3. After getting 2 5-star reviews, I raised my prices to $10, then $15. By day 5, I was handling multiple orders simultaneously. But here's the real game changer. I started offering package deals. Basic, standard, and premium options. Psychology 101. People love choices. On Upwork, I used a different strategy. Instead of waiting for clients, I actively sent proposals to jobs under $50. My secret weapon? I recorded 30-second video introductions. Out of 20 proposals, 3 turned into jobs. That personal touch made all the difference. By the end of the week, I had completed 12 gigs on Fiverr and 3 projects on Upwork, totaling $512. But here's what's even more exciting: 2 of those clients became regulars, guaranteeing steady income moving forward. Remember, the key isn't just working hard, it's working smart. Start small, over-deliver, and build those reviews. Trust me, if I could do this with zero experience, so can you. Now get out there and start your freelancing journey. Don't forget to like and follow for more money-making tips like these.